Kylie Deppen with Joyful Health and Wellness based out of New York City, and today I'm going to show you how to make dry cucumber dip. Now, it may sound a little complicated, but it's really simple and takes no time, and you're going to save a lot of money doing this. The other benefit of making your own dry dips is that you're not adding in a lot of extra salt and sugar and artificial ingredients. So we'll get started here, and you're going to measure 4 tablespoons. This is dried parsley flakes. So we're going to do 4 of these guys, 4 big tablespoons. Okay, and then 3 tablespoons of dried dill. It's great for cucumber dip. Dill and cucumbers go really well together. Okay, and then we've got 3 tablespoons of dried onion flakes. Okay, and this is going to give your dip a lot of flavor. And finally, we've got 3 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2 and 3. And finally, about 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt and pepper. Okay, now if you have a little dish like this, you can just pop the lid on and shake it up. And that's really all you have to do. So when you go to make your dip, you're going to include 1 tablespoon of all the dried herbs per cup of your dressing mix. I would suggest like Greek yogurt. It's a healthier option than sour cream or cream cheese or mayonnaise. So 1 tablespoon per cup, and that is how you make dry cucumber dip. I'm Kylie Deppen with Joyful Health and Wellness. And for more healthy recipes, check out my website at joyfulhealthandwellness.com. Thanks for watching.